Namaste, Suprabhatam Sarvesham. Every students have their exceptional potential inside them. They should realize their potential and become a successful like a pearl. To this matter, one Samskrita shloka, it tells about that. Patra visheshe nyastam gunantaram vrajati shilpamadhatuhu Jalamiva samudra shuktau mukta palatam payodasya. Here they are giving an example of payodasya jalam iva. Just as a drop of water of rain, though it is in the shell of the pearl oyster, transforms into a precious pearl. Similarly, a special person through their unique qualities attain a higher form of craftsmanship. The shloka compares the process of how the water drop of rain turns into a pearl within the shell of the oyster, to how a person through his special qualities and virtues can reach a higher level of achievement or excellence. It suggests that even in an ordinary context, exceptional potential can be realized just as a water drop of rain can become a pearl. So all the students have their potential inside. They should recognize that and become like a pearl in the society. With this information, I am repeating again the shloka. Patra visheshe nyastam gunantaram vrajati shilpamadhatuhu जलमिव समुद्र शुक्तौ मुक्ता फलतां पयोदस्य. धन्यवादः.